Damn it,
Hello,
I could have gotten
what
a
is up
picture
guys,
taken
it's
with
Dave
Jimmy
from
Gibbs'
PC
stock
Collective,
car.
and today we're playing Left 4 Dead 2 modded to shit. I haven't played this for a while, so I figured I'd play it again. Also, for the second video today, it will not be Amnesia. It is actually going to be probably either a new Minecraft series, or I don't know. It won't be Amnesia. I'll film that at night so I can get scared again, because I haven't been getting scared at all. So I forgot to record last night because I was a little sick. So we'll just play that for tomorrow's video. Yeah, so today you're going to Left 4 Dead 2 and a surprise video because I don't know what the other one will be. But this is where we left off.
Hello.
I need to turn my game volume down a little bit. Okay, so, like I just said, this is where we left off. We cleared the mall last time, and now we got to do the thing, bring gas to the car. So this is where we left off, if you were wondering. Do. Come on, guys.
Okay. Anybody got any
From what I
ideas?
remember, this mission wasn't that hard.
Posters we've been seeing. Get your picture taken with Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. That means it's here. We just need to appropriate it, and we got ourselves an escape vehicle.
Well, it's a plan. I don't know if it's a good plan, but it is a plan.
I'm betting the gas tanks will probably be empty. We're gonna have to gas it up before we haul ass.
As soon as them doors open, you run your ass off and find some gas.
Find some gas, guys.
This is a mission where there's just mysteriously a bunch of cans of gas all over the mall for no apparent reason. I hear a jockey.
Jockey around.
Okay, we gotta go for gas can number 7. Or number 2, I should say.
Got it.
Throw this one over the ledge.
I know one thing. I'm grabbing pills.
Jockey!
Jockey!
I got this one.
Nice shooting.
Incoming.
Okay, so that's 3.
Look out!
I have no idea why I switched to a pistol right there.
Reloading.
Hey, watch out!
Got it. Filling it up here.
Okay, 2. Where's the other gas can I threw? Did it land on one of the buildings? Where'd it go?
Reload!
Gas can, where are you? Okay, so I guess we're only at 2.
I'm reloading.
Hey, I'm reloading.
How are you guys doing today? Personally, I am under the weather. Damn it, it landed on the roof.
I got this one.
Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, it didn't land on the roof, good. So that's 4. Let's see, any over here?
Weapons over here.
Reloading!
Grabbing a crowbar.
Hunter!
Nothing in there. Oops, I thought that was a normal zombie. We're okay.
Tank! Tank!
lucky.
Thank you.
I got this one. Grabbing a jar of puke.
Reloading!
Violent.
I tried hitting the tank with bile. Oh, a xenomorph. Ow! No! Help! Hey.
Reload! What you going on about? You gonna make it? Let's get you up.
Okay, so we have enough gas cans. I just need to go throw it all down there. So there's 5.
Reloading!
Got it.
6.
You shoot me again, and I will drop.
I got this one.
Ow.
Reloading.
7. And 8 should be right here. Eight. No, you just gotta go through it.
Hand basket. Oh, I'm all goo.
Okay, 8.
Got it.
Oh, come on. Okay, cool, I got him. Okay, so let's get all the cans.
Filling it up here. Still need 5 more. Got it. Come on. I got this one. I got this one. Just 2 more.
And 2 more.
Ow! Oh!
Did I see an AK? Yes, I did.
Got it. One more can to go.
Hey, I'm reloading.
I got this one.
Reloading!
And that's it. Okay, so that was Dead Center. Let's go to the passing. Riverbank, normal, character Rochelle. Let's do it.
I'm telling you for the last goddamn time. Lower the goddamn bridge. You greasy vest-wearing monkey.
Go to hell, suit.
Hey, boys. Okay, if we get to the other side, can you help us lower it?
Hell yeah! I'll help you!
See, Nick, you should try being nice sometime. Thank you very much.
Alright, let's go.
Through this park.
Watch out!
Watch out!
Look at that. I feel so empowered with the Master Sword. As you should be. As you should feel, I mean.
Do not let that zombie get away.
You can shield bash. Oh, yeah.
Reloading.
Hey, I'm reloading.
charge air. I heard a charge air.
Reloading.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that scared me a little bit.
We got a hunter.
Come here. I need to get. Yeah.
Guns in the store.
What do you mean guns in the store? Where? Oh, in here, maybe. I'll take the shotgun. From, like, Halo, I guess? No, this one's from Titanfall.
Up these stairs.
Same game. I did not mean to jump out, actually.
Spitter. Go! Get out of the go!
I hear a jockey and a smoker. And like I thought. Come on, someone help me. Please. Nick, please. Someone.
Jockey.
Let go! Let go! Stop, guys. I have to heal.
Reloading.
Ooh, all better now.
Did you hear Scorpion? Get over here. I didn't even know I put in a mod like that.
Reloading.
Zombie.
Charger.
Charger! We can get up here.
Reloading.
No zombies.
Into the apartments.
Let's search these rooms. Grabbing some frag rounds. Deploying explosive rounds.
For sure. Yes.
Yeah!
We can get
Up
across
the
here.
stairs.
Jockey, jockey! Get this thing up here!
Jockey!
Sweetheart,
Jockey.
don't shoot me.
Jockey!
Okay, so I need to go up a little bit on the through the stairs. Sorry if I'm not talking very much. I'm kind of tired.
Weapons over
I'm
here!
tired and under the weather, so
Charger!
that's why I'm not very much talkative. So sorry, but wanted to give you guys videos anyway. I know the true fans won't mind.
Through this park. Spitter! Taken care of. This is one time I don't mind being the right leader.
There's a frostbite spider from Skyrim as the boomer. The boomer. I just had like an apocalyptic yawn. The boomer.
Reloading.
gotta heal.
Maybe not a good idea.
Thanks. This is not going well.
Just hang on.
Look out now!
Thanks, Nick.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. Reload. Ah!
Reloading. Reloading.
Roger! Kick it back.
Reloading!
Safe house!
Hey.
Where,
check
right
the
here?
tents. Reloading.
My person's on crack. So it's like safe house or guns. I'm nowhere near guns or safe house.
Get inside!
Reloading.
Ask me a question. I dare you.
Come on, Alice,
Get
slow
your
ass.
asses in here right now!
All
There we
right,
go.
this party is over.
Okay, though, thank you all for watching. I know I was kind of quiet, but as I said, I'm a little under the weather, so I kind of expected I wouldn't be as talkative as normal. But hope you enjoyed. I do enjoy this series, so if you like it too, let me know, and I'll keep playing it.
Who wants to bet?
Otherwise, tune in to the next video for today. I have no idea what it's going to be. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.